Ever pondered the possibility of cooking bacon and eggs on a campfire? It's not only possible, but it's also an absolute delight to both cook and eat. This method of preparing the age-old breakfast staple lends a unique flavor and experience that you can't replicate in a kitchen. Imagine waking up in the great outdoors. The air is cool and crisp, and the scent of pine trees fills your nostrils. Now, imagine the savory aroma of bacon and eggs cooking over a campfire. That's an experience no diner can offer. Here's how it's done. For car camping, you'll need 4 thick slices of bacon, 2 eggs, and a brown paper lunch bag. The first step is to pack the eggs and bacon in a cooler at home. Once you're at your campsite, place the bacon inside the bag, making sure to coat the insides generously with the bacon grease. The more coating, the better the flavor. Then, crack the eggs onto the bacon. Fold the bag down several times and thread it with a 3-foot stick, preferably green pine to prevent burning. By suspending the bag over hot coals, avoiding direct flames, you can heat all sides evenly. The cooking process should take around 7 to 10 minutes. For backpacking, the process is slightly different. Before leaving home, crack the eggs into a bowl, beat them, and pour the mixture into a Lexan bottle or zip-top bag. Freeze this along with your bacon slices. By breakfast the next day, both your eggs and bacon will have thawed and are ready to cook using the same method as described earlier. This cooking method is not just about the novelty of cooking bacon and eggs on a campfire. This process brings a multitude of benefits. It's an ingenious way to enjoy a pot-free meal with minimal cleanup. You can eat directly from the bag. Plus, it's a surefire way to impress your fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Remember, the key is to ensure the paper bag is damp before cooking to prevent it from catching fire. A little smoke might escape during the process, but the delicious outcome more than makes up for it. So next time you're out in the wilderness, give this a shot. Swap the diner for a campfire and elevate your outdoor cooking game with this simple yet delightful method of cooking bacon and eggs.